If you co-own a property with your kids to avoid the probate process, what are the risks that you're exposing yourself to? So you are exposing yourself to your kids' divorce settlements, lawsuits that they may have, or any creditors that may be coming after them. And so what's going to happen is different situations here. Your kid may be in a happy marriage, or they may not be married yet. In the event that they go through a divorce settlement, because they co-own that property with you, is subject to being split up, their half is, inside of that divorce settlement. If they get into a car accident, which no one plans for, and they severely injure another individual and a lawsuit comes after them and their insurance will not cover the full extent of that lawsuit, they will be responsible for selling their assets to pay off the judgments for that lawsuit, which can include part of your property that you have given them ownership of. The third one is going to be your creditors. So let's say that they have all the debts, they're able to pay for all of their debts and their expenses, and then they lose their job and they're unable to find a new one very quickly, and they start going into default on their loans or anything like that. Because your home that you have given them is part of their asset list, they will have to sell off those assets to be able to pay off those debts. So you don't really plan for them doing any of these situations. Typically, even if you have like a good kid who's planning ahead, thinking ahead, and being careful, they can still be subjected to all of these things because all of these situations are fully out of their control. And so those are the risks that you need to take into consideration when you're trying to co-own a property with your kids to avoid the probate process. If you want help setting this up, click link in the bio, fill out the form, and schedule a time to talk some more.